Okay, let's take a start. What kind of social networking websites do you like to use?
Yes, I like Facebook website and WhatsApp.
Yeah, we should speak about Facebook. But first of all, I like Facebook, where I socialize with my friends. I upload pictures and status on Facebook, and my friends watch it. Secondly, I like WhatsApp. So, first of all, secondly, finally, Twitter and all that. Okay, instead of saying I like Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, da 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 da, right? You just talk about them one by one. So, let's start again. What kind of social networking websites do you like to use?
Yeah, I like social networking Facebook, uploading pictures and
I upload my
I
pictures.
upload my pictures and friends, my friends.
Okay.
And
Secondly, I also like
secondly, I also like WhatsApp and
WhatsApp is a good website. I
WhatsApp is
chat with my friends on WhatsApp.
WhatsApp is a good website and chat on my friends and families. Uh,
Okay, so these two social networking websites are my most favorite. Okay, let's go on. Are you a social person?
yeah, I am very friendly person. I am very friendly person, and
I always make friends.
I
I
al-
mix up with other people. I enjoy the company of my friends, right? I usually go outside with my friends. So I think I am a very social person. Answer again. Are you a social person?
I am very friendly person, and
I usually
I
spend time with my friends
I usually spend time in my friends and outside.
and we go outside.
We go outside and very
Okay.
very friendly person.
Okay, I'm very friendly
I'm
with
very
others. Okay, let's go on. Is it easy to find real friends on social networking websites?
it's,
Is it easy to find real friends on social networking websites? Like, can you find real friends on Facebook? Can you find real friends on Instagram and all that?
I real friend with Facebook.
You didn't understand the question. The question is it easy to find real? Real friend means sacha dost. So, can you find sacha dost on Facebook? Okay, all right. What is your most favorite chatting app?
My favorite chatting app is WhatsApp. Is chatting my friends.
I chat with my
I
friends.
chat with my friends and families. And very good website.
It's a very good
It's very good
application.
applications, and
Okay, I connect myself with my family through this application.
I
So you need to go through this book, all the questions, make yourself familiar, right? Speak confidently, speak more. Your answers are short, okay? All the best. Thank you.